myself Sandeep C. Jadeja, student of first batch of BCA in JG College 2005. I started my career as a developer and currently managing the project in Sterlite Technology Limited. College has been one of the memorable part of every student's life, whether it is about friends, professor or growth of life. My growth of life started from JG College, and that would not be possible without the guidance given by the professor who are already expert in their own field. Today, wherever I am, it's just because of the JG College and the pioneer which was made strong for those 3 years. I would like to thank you, JG College, for giving me those 3 best years of my life. Once again, thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sejal Vakela. I was student of JG College of Computer Application in the year 2006 to 2009. Right now I am working as an assistant professor in Lokmanya College of Computer Application for BCA course. I want to share my experience about JG College. All the faculties of BCA were very supportive and helpful during my entire course. They always motivated us and made us confidence in our field. Computer lab as well as infrastructure of the college was also very much well equipped and with the latest technology. Teaching as well as non-teaching staff was very supportive and very kind in nature. JG College does not focus only on the study related material but also co-curricular activities, as college conducts many events, functions, celebrations, competitions. So students can participate in that and can get confident about themselves. So I can say that JG College of Computer Application is not only to gain knowledge about technical field but also helped us to achieve our goal in our life as well as in our career. I am proud to be alumni student of JG College of Computer Application. I am very thankful to JG College of Computer Application as a part of student. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, myself Priyanka Valija. I did my graduation from JG College of Computer Applications in year 2016, and later on I did masters, and currently I'm working as product analyst with an IT firm since last 2 years. To share about my experience at JG, I would like to share my 3 years in college were perfect blend of joy and learning. At college, we as students were allowed to have fun along with working hard so as to excel ourselves inside and outside the classroom. On learning grounds, I would like to share every faculty member of the college believes in imparting knowledge and expertise in their subject in the best possible manner to us. Management also felicitates students at various occasions for their achievements. This boosts our confidence and help us to improvise ourselves. Apart from academic excellence, we were also given multiple opportunities to explore so many other co-curricular activities in which college used to participate. So it is not just limited to assignments, projects, classroom study, but it also includes various other activities like youth festivals, college fests, quiz competitions, tournaments, and of course college days. We used to have utmost fun during those days. So, in my opinion, I believe that college helped me to learn and grow myself as an individual and take one step forward towards my career that I had always wished for. So in college, together we learn, we grow, we explore, we innovate new things, meet new people, and grow ourselves as an individual. As far as I remember, every moment spent in those 3 years is worth remembering for, and I still cherish those precious moments. So it feels great to be part of this big family. Thank you.
everyone, myself Princy Kansara. I did BCA from JG College, batch 2019. I am glad that I become alumni of such a prestigious college. Presently I am doing my masters from Nirma University. For me that was extremely grateful journey in the JG College. JG College provide me good infrastructure, computer lab with latest technology, library, much more facilities. All the faculties are very supportive and helpful in my entire journey. And I got the 19th rank in the university. To build a knowledge, provide a webinar, seminar, presentation in the class to develop the communication skill. My sincerely thankfulness to the faculty, it gave me great pleasure in sharing my success after joining the college. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Munir Chambi. The first step toward my passion is to graduate from a JG College of Computer Application. I am 2019 pass out student. I feel proud that I was a student and now become an alumni of such college. I am currently doing my masters from Nirma University. Talking about the college, labs, libraries and all other facilities are too good. All the professors are highly qualified and experienced around 10 years. They all are supportive and helpful in nature and encourage us towards our skills. I got top 5 ranking in the Gujarat University in each semesters. From the first day, the admission, administrative staff, non-teaching staff, sports department, they all are supportive and kind in nature. Thank you JG for helping me to achieve the success towards my first step in my passion and all other stages of my life.